And just a reminder, you're still under oath.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nelson.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I actually just have one follow-up or final question for you. When you were on the scene on May 25th of 2020, did you show any identifying yourself as a Minneapolis firefighter?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. I have no further questions.
Thank you, sir.
You redirect.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Just as a real quick follow-up to that point, did you have any ID with you at that point in time?
No, sir.
You were not on duty?
No, sir.
Okay. You were asked about seeing the fluid running down the street there, and you thought you considered whether it might be bodily fluids from Mr. Floyd, correct?
Correct.
If you knew that it wasn't bodily fluid from Mr. Floyd, would it have changed your assessment of his medical needs at that point in time?
No, sir. It's just something I noticed.
And your assessment of his medical condition at that time, did you believe he needed immediate medical attention?
Yes, sir.
You were asked about whether you could hear the officers talking. Did the officers ever, let me be more specific, other than Officer Tao, who you told us you spoke directly to, did the other three officers talk to you at all?
Not that I remember.
Did any of the officers tell you, hey, we've got an ambulance coming?
Not that I remember.
Did any of the officers tell you, hey, we got the fire department coming?
No.
You were asked a little bit about what you thought would be the typical response time for the fire department, because that's who you work for, correct?
Correct.
And you were being asked about something you really don't know about in terms of the fire department's response in this case.
Correct.
And you don't know anything about who called the ambulance or who called fire for this particular case.
Correct.
So the answers that you were giving, Mr. Nelson, were just sort of typical case.
Correct.
Yeah, that's all the questions I have. Thank you.
Anything further? All right. Thank you. You may step down.
Thank you.